Saint Tukaram Maharaj was famous saint of Warkari Sampradaya. He was sent in 17th century from Dehu, Maharashtra. He is best known for his devotional poetry called Abhang. Many of his poems deal with social reform. Tukaram Maharaj's contribution was significant for Marathi literature. At Dehu, there is a Shila temple where Tukaram Maharaj seated for 15 days until Gatha came up from Indrayani river. Saint Tukaram Maharaj's Vaikuntha Gaman is believed to have occurred near a Nandurki tree in Dehu, where devotees arrive for Tukaram Bees to worship Tukaram Maharaj. His famous Abhang, सदा माझे डोळा जडो तुझी मूर्ती रखुमाईच्या पती सोयरिया गोड तुझे रूप गोड तुझे नाम देई मज प्रेम सर्व काळ विठो माऊलिये हाची वर देई संचारोनी राही हृदया माझी तुका म्हणे काही न मागे आणिक तुझे पायी सुख सर्व आहे. ऑन द ऑस्पिशियस ऑकेजन ऑफ तुकाराम बीज आय गिव्ह माय हंबल ट्रिब्यूट टू जगद्गुरू संत तुकाराम महाराज.